Hi, my name is Harris, and my student ID is 1222747 And today, my topic is manufacturing of spring. Here's the introduction. Our topic is manufacturing of spring in Japan, and we found there were seven lean ways identified, and we have to analyze what are the effects of these lean wastes on the performance of the on the performance of the factory. So we have to find out the so we have to work on lean transformation. Yep, and here we have found seven lean wastes, and these were transportation waste, inventory waste, motion waste, waiting waste, over processing waste, overproduction waste, and defects waste. And now in question one, we make a weighted matrix for the proposed lean transform for the proposed lean transformation project. And in this weighted matrix, we set a criteria, and then we give a rating to each criteria, and like that we made four criterias and four different case studies, and we after that we pick the highest weighted case study. And so in this way we pick the improving waiting time for manufacturing of spray. So the next question is why we pick this criteria. So the reason is it is a common problem that we can found this in many steps in many procedures, and same as it is many same as it is very it was used in all over the production phases, and it has some effects at the end of the product and services and customer satisfaction. So that's why we've picked this one. Here's the contribution table, and I my contribution were tool implementation, cost analysis, and customer satisfaction. So I will explain the benefits of Kanban model in lean management. Why we made Kanban model? It has several advantages. It provides us the visual workflow management. Like we can easily see like we can easily see the progress of the project, and and it is used for the it is used to improve the efficiency as well. And then yes, we have flexibility. We can easily target what my responsibilities are and how I am performing. And in fact I can point out my inefficiencies as well, that where I am not performing so well. And it is used for balanced workload, so that every team member have satisfaction that we have divided equally in all the we have divided all the work equally in all the team members. And then we have some other advantages as well, and it is also used for reducing the waiting time. Now the next question is application of lean leadership principle, and here we pick the main principle, which is always carrying a questioning and sense of curiosity. Why we pick this principle? Because it has several reasons. First reason is encourages continuous improvement. Yeah, due to yes, by applying this principle, we have improvement in our abilities, and in by using this principle we can easily point out what's the reasons of the problem. And yes, the next point is enhanced problem solving. We can set we can create a data, and then we can mark the points and causes of these problem, and then we can make a decision from the data provided. Yeah, the next question is value stream mapping in lean management. And what we do no, first I will explain what is value stream mapping. It is a visual tool or document analyze and improve the flow of material and information required to deliver a product or services. What we do in value stream mapping, we create a graphical chart, and in this way we can we draw the graphical representation of of the project in the in the previous phase. And then after applying lean transformation, after removing all of the waste, we again draw the value stream mapping where we exclude the excessive waste, and then we can reduce the project overall time of the project. Here our current state of value stream mapping, and you can see there are different phases of heating, cooling, and grinding, processing, and packing. And so I will explain two of the main points, which are grinding and processing, where we are consuming our most of the time. We are consuming the way we have waste of around about 180 minutes between these two processes. But what we will remove the waste from these 2 points majority, and then we can reduce overall the project duration, overall the process of the duration. Now here we can see the future state of value stream mapping. You can easily see, as I explained earlier, that the grinding phase and the processing phase, between two phases we found the waste of 180 minutes, and we reduced the time phase from 180 to 120 minutes. The same we had done in the other phases as well, but but between these two phases we have done we have reduced the time lap, and yes, we have exclude the waste. So what we had done in this value stream mapping, we had reduced the production lead time from we have reduced the processing time from 8.5 hours to only 5.5 hours. That is what we call value stream mapping. Here we have some explanation of these, that we have what we have done in value stream mapping. We have done lean transformation and applied different techniques such as 5S, which is short, set in order, shine, and standardize, and the last one is sustain. We have used these type of techniques for lean transformation, and then hence we have reduced the time period of all over the project from 8.5 hours to only 5.5 hours. Now we will move further. The next on the next part, which is fishbone diagram. And in this fishbone diagram, what we do, we what we in fishbone diagram, what we do, we create the what we do, we create the causes of these problem, and so that we can easily we have a graphical representation of these problem. And the last point is Pareto chart. In this way, in Pareto chart, what we do, we can easily point out the causes of this problem, as 80% of the causes of these problem lies in only three most of the parts. And we point out the lack of demand forecast, wrong forecast, and lack of, and we found, and lack of interconnectedness. And we can easily found that 87.96% of all the problems are due to only these causes. That is what we call Pareto chart. Thank you.